So I just wanted to put together this little video for you guys so you have a little bit more idea as to how to style those exotic patterns and make them very wearable in your everyday wardrobe.
Feeling like the sun and the stars.
My heart is falling. No. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to click onto this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My goal is to get to 200 subscribers by the end of this month. Yeah, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into today's video. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I would style anaprint. What the heck is anaprint? So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be styling animal print and exotic patterns into an outfit. I wanted to make this video because I feel like a lot of people get very intimidated by styling with animal print, like cheetah print, tiger print, leopard, whatever, and just using more exotic patterns in their outfit. I feel like people get very intimidated by that very easily, so we tend to stick to very plain, solid colors. So I just wanted to put together this little video for you guys so you have a little bit more idea as to how to style those exotic patterns and make them very wearable in your everyday wardrobe. So we're just gonna jump right in and I'm gonna show you guys all the different styles that I put together for you. Okay guys, so for outfit number one, I paired this cheetah print top with these blue denim joggers. I think this is such a good pair because the denim makes the cheetah print a lot more wearable and casual. So I would definitely say this is much more of a safe outfit if you don't feel comfortable going all out cheetah print. And then I paired it with a belt just to break up the cheetah and the denim look and also to accessorize. So I think this outfit came out super cute. Alright guys, so for outfit number two, I'm actually wearing the same cheetah print top as I was in the first outfit, but it's actually a dress, so I just wore it as a dress. But for this one, I paired it with a white crossbody bag and some white sneakers. Again, just to tone down the cheetah print look since there is more cheetah print exposed in this look. But I feel like doing so makes it a lot more casual and easy to wear. And you can always dress it up and add some heels to this if you want to use it for a night out, but super cute. Okay guys, so for outfit number three, I'm wearing tiger print. Yes, I have a tiger print skirt on. I feel like tiger print is so underrated and I don't see that as often. But yeah, so I got this skirt from Forever 21 and I love how it's adjustable at the waist so you can fit it and tie it to your liking. And then to just kind of keep this outfit casual, I wore it with my Air Force Ones and a white baby tank top. So cute. Okay guys, so for outfit number four, I'm wearing bandana print pants. Yes, bandana print. I feel like I haven't really seen bandana print pants. I always see bandana tops, but never pants. I actually got these from Buffalo Exchange, and then I paired it with some denim and again the white t-shirt to make it casual. It's such a cute look that I feel like anybody can pull off. Alright, so for outfit number five, I'm wearing a cheetah print. You know what guys, I don't know if this is cheetah print or leopard print. Somebody let me know in the comments down below, but I think it's cheetah print. So I'm wearing a cheetah print dress with a lacy bralette underneath and then a white crossbody bag and then some white sneakers as well just to keep it casual because I'm more of like a casual girl. Yeah, you can always add heels to this and I feel like it would pair perfectly because of that classy little lacy black bralette right underneath it. But I think this is such a cute outfit. I would so wear this. Outfit number six. Okay, so for this outfit, I am wearing an alligator print tube top. It's gray and white and black, and I love how it's just very neutral colors with a loud design on it. I feel like that gives you the freedom to pair it with other neutral tones. So that's why I decided to add these brown joggers, and I feel like adding a chain to these joggers goes with the color of the tube top, and there's my niece. Yeah, and then I just kept it simple with my white Air Forces and white crossbody bag, and here we are just dancing the night away. All right, outfit number 7. I love this look. I feel like this one made me experiment a little bit more. I don't really know the design on these pants. I would say they're more floral. Yeah, so they're floral bell bottoms that I got from Zara, and I never knew how to wear them, but I think I just found out making this video. I paired it with a white crop top, some white shoes, the golden black belt so that it can tie the look together. It is so cute. It gives me 70s vibes, and 70s will forever be my aesthetic. So yeah, super cute outfit. Okay guys, we made it to outfit number 8. This one is so cute. I got this romper from Urban Outfitters actually. I think it's a jumpsuit. But it has this floral green pattern. Again, it gives me 70s vibes because they're bell bottoms. And what I decided to do was throw a harness on top of it to give it a more edgy look. And this time it's a more of a dressed up outfit because I added some chunky platform heels to it. And I feel like it screams 70s, also a little bit grungy because of the black harness and platform shoes, but super cute outfit. I hope you guys like this one. So we finally finished. Okay guys, so that is all the outfits that I had planned for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed those styling tips that I provided for you guys in this video. There are so many cool things that I actually tried for the first time myself. Like for example, pairing that harness with that green and forest looking jumpsuit. I thought that was really cool because that's actually something I wouldn't normally do. Yeah, but I was just trying to venture out with different styles, so I thought it would be cool to just throw that in there for you guys. I think my favorite outfit today was actually this one. It's a little bit more low-key and has a little bit more skater vibes to it, but I think that's actually why I like it, because this is something I would definitely just wear out on a normal day. If I decided to go out of the house, I would probably wear something like this. My favorite part is this little chain. I love how it comes with the pants. And if you haven't seen these jeans already, I actually wore them in my Fashion Nova jean haul. So if you guys want to check that out and see how the Fashion Nova bottoms fit, you guys can check that out. I'll link it somewhere here up on the top for you guys. Yeah, I think this was definitely a success. There's so many different fun patterns that we wore today, like the cheetah print, leopard print, bandana print. I thought that was really cool. So I hope that gave you guys some idea on how to actually style those patterns. And again, there is no rules to fashion. You guys can wear denim on denim, cheetah on cheetah, like whatever it is that your heart desires, that you feel comfortable with. And honestly, at the end of the day, it's just how you express yourself. So yeah, but all in all, I hope that my tips did help you guys today. And if you guys are inspired by this video and come up with an outfit that is kind of similar to what I showed you guys today, feel free to tag me in it. You guys can follow me on all my socials. Instagram is iam.onyxrose. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you watched this video to the end, leave a little, is there a cheetah emoji? I don't know if there's a cheetah emoji, but I know there's a lion emoji. So comment down a little lion at the end of this video if you stayed to the end. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and bye.